I think that's something that I did beginning my career, and this was based on my gut feeling, right?
Okay.
As engineers, as software engineers, you have the privilege to be able to work in different industries, right? So healthcare needs a software engineer. The entertainment industry needs a software engineer. Rocket companies, space companies need software engineers. Everybody needs a software engineer. And sometimes when you're young, you just look for prestige and status. So you might go to a big company where you're just going to write a couple of functions. Now, even just with AI, run unit tests, deploy it, and not worry about it, right? But I think what you can get the most out of this career how you can get the most out of this career is know what you're going to learn when you join a company, right? It's not just about how much they're going to get out of you and how much they're going to pay you. It also matters what you're going to get out of it, right? Are you going to learn new skills? Are you going to have access to a section of the business that you normally don't have access to? Like, are you going to work on an acquisition funnel in a marketing company? Which is great because eventually, when you want to create your own company, or if you're ever planning to do that, then you're going to have marketing knowledge because you're probably going to work in a cross-functional team with people that are marketing experts, product experts, and you're going to learn a lot, right? So I think that will be my advice. Don't look only for what you're going to get out of the company money, salary-wise and what you're going to contribute to it. Also, see how it's going to help you for your self-development, personal development, what you're going to learn.
Amazing, Cisco. Thanks for sharing that. And now my last question will be, how can we build my dream team for 2026? Or how can founders can build their dream team for 2026?
Yes, self-absorbed as this may sound, I think they need to meet with me, right? So when they meet with me, I will see what they want to build and what kind of talent that they need to hire, right? Because I think that something that everybody in the tech industry is very familiar with is the iteration process, right? Meaning that you kind of like snowball your final vision of the product. You start with something, the MVP, the most valuable version of your product, and then you grow it into the final form, right? So that core team that is going to build the first iteration of your product needs to be kind of like measured twice, cut only once process.